Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this is another episode of Burgh Unboxing. And this thing comes direct from Guangzhou, China, and this is supposed to substitute for the home button. So let's open this thing up. They taped this to make sure nothing would happen to it. When it paid the $46 in my coin loan, I'll be glad in September when I can get some of that stuff out of the pawn shops. After Alien Con, I can have some money. I'm going to pay another $30 on the 9th. I got to get this stuff out. It's all because of Kathy. Because when she got evicted, I had to help her out. I got to work for this one. Let's see if it's flying out. No, still. Just came back from the store. Okay, here it is. This says iPhone X home button and audio jack. And it says support, extend home button, support, listen music, and charge at the same time. Support new iOS 11.2.1. No need app, just plug and play. Compatible with iPhone X, iPhone 5, iPhone 6, iPhone 7, iPhone 8. And I asked them, will this work with the iPad? And they said yes. So let's see what happens to this beast. A piece of cardboard. And here it is. And this, no. Computer, stop. And you plug this in to your charging app, it looks like. So let's do that. Your charging port, I mean not app. Alright. So I'll let you know what happens. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening and stay warm or dry or cool and safe out there if you can. Bye-bye for now.